yellow beak, little head.
What the hell is that? It's snowy white. Wow, Richard.
Like that. Maybe he thinks that you can get some peanuts.
Maybe? What a funny looking thing. He is thinking about the peanuts.
I think so.
Look at the tree.
I know. Well, there it is.
What is it?
Oh, it's a blue jay. It's one of the Stellar's jays.
Making that weird noise?
He made a weird noise.
Maybe they don't like each other. I think it's... He doesn't like the crow. It looks like a pigeon. We think that the activity is what... Uh-oh, he's gonna go.
Oh no! He came for the
Oh no, because the crow took his spot.
Not only that, the